Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I am going to read it out for you. Inventor and invention. An invention is a new thing that did not exist before the inventor created it. It is a new product, device, process, sport, or musical instrument. An inventor is the first person who creates a new product or different way of doing something. Inventors are highly creative thinkers. They try to look for ways to solve problems. They improve other ideas to develop useful products that fulfill a need. A famous saying, necessity is the mother of invention, smartly describes the efforts of an inventor. Let's talk about telephone. First telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. The first ever telephone set appeared in 1877 in Wisconsin. The first phone call was between Alexander Graham Bell and his assistant Thomas Watson. Today, we cannot imagine life without a phone. The telephone became an important part of modern life in the 20th century. There are many different types of telephone. A telephone that can be carried around is called a mobile phone or cell phone. These phones are wireless and make communication easier. Over time, telephone has been improved and changed as you see around.